Monica Seles is a retired professional tennis player who represented Yugoslavia and the United States. Seles is widely regarded as one of the greatest tennis players of all time. In 2012, Tennis Channel created a list of the 100 greatest tennis players. Seles was listed at 19. Seles was born in Yugoslavia into an ethnic Hungarian family. Her parents are Esther and Carol. She has an older brother, Jotan. Seles is married to businessman Tom Golizano, who is 32 years her senior. They began dating in 2009. The two announced their engagement on June 5, 2014. She began playing tennis at age 5. He is responsible for developing her two-handed style for both the forehand and backhand. In 1985, at the age of 11, she won the Junior Orange Bowl tournament in Miami, Florida. Seles played her first professional tournament as an amateur in 1988 at age 14. She won 9 Grand Slam singles titles, 8 of them as a teenager while representing Yugoslavia and the final one while representing the United States. Regarded by many in the sport as one of the greatest tennis players of all time, Seles was named one of the 30 legends of women's tennis, past, present and future by Time. She was inducted into the International Tennis Hall of Fame in 2009. From January 1991 through February 1993, Seles won 22 titles and reached 33 finals out of the 34 tournaments she played. Though she enjoyed some success after rejoining the tour in 1995, including a 4th Australian Open title in 1996, she was unable to consistently reproduce her best form. She played her last professional match at the 2003 French Open but did not officially retire until February 2008. Seles was a top-ranked women's player heading into 1993, having won the French Open for 3 consecutive years and both the US Open and Australia Open in consecutive years. In January 1993, Seles defeated Graf in the final of the Australian Open, which to date was her 3rd win in 4 Grand Slam finals against Graf. In January 1996, Seles won her 4th Australian Open, beating Anke Huber in the final. Seles competed at the 1996 Olympic Games in Atlanta, where she beat Sabatini in a 3rd round match before losing to Jana Novotná in the quarterfinals. After becoming a US citizen in 1994, Seles helped the US team win the Fed Cup in 1996, 1999 and 2000. In December 2007, Seles told the press that Lindsay Davenport's successful return to the tour had inspired her to consider her own limited comeback to play Grand Slam tournaments and the major warm-up events for those tournaments. However, on February 14, 2008, Seles announced her official retirement from professional tennis.